Hey everyone, Jason here with Bluebeam Bro. Going to do an overview of the estimating tool set that is being offered. This is a pretty comprehensive tool set built for Bluebeam Revu. It's a combination of different tool chests broken out and organized per CSI divisions. So you can see over here on the right hand side, I got everything starting with O1 general requirements. Just some basic overall area takeoffs, temporary fence, things that would go within the GCs of your project. Then we have items for existing conditions. This will be demo walls, demo ceilings, just demo flooring, all the removal and demolitions, things that you would find in that O2 specification. And even into concrete, all the way down into our Division 33 for site utilities. So we'll kind of start there. I'll kind of show you a little bit of stuff here. I'm looking at a sanitary plan for a particular project. We'll look through the items here. So you see we got different types of storm pipe, sanitary, HDPE, got a number for inches. Basically we set it up to where each tool has a number sign available so that after the takeoff's complete, you can go back through and fill in whatever diameter it is. That way we're not overloading just this massive toolbox with all the potential possibilities that there could be on the job site. Because as you know, pipes come in all kinds of different sizes. So right now I'm just doing a couple clicks just to show you how simple, easy it is. Everything's polylined, it's segmented out, and very conveniently set up. So really once we're done with this, let's say these are all 12-inch diameter pipe. We'll come in here, edit, highlight, 12-inch. And if one of those lines was 8-inch, well, then we can come back here and edit that as well. You can always just add specific toolboxes or these particular items back into the toolbox and build it out as detailed as you want. Really, the tool set's set up to be a very, very convenient starting point. So if you're brand new to Bluebeam Revu, this will be perfect to really just get you jump started and right where you need to be. If you're a seasoned vet, it'll really kind of add jet fuel to what you already have going on. So I'm going to jump over to our foundation plan and go back up to the O3 concrete. Let me open my toolboxes again. So I'll shut down site utilities. Let's go back to concrete. So we're into our O3 concrete. There's a couple different views that Bluebeam allows you to do. One was the symbol, which is what I was showing earlier. So as you mouse over, it'll give you the information, or you can break it down in more of this detailed view. Unfortunately, you can't reorganize these columns, so I typically just leave it within the symbol view. As you can see, as I mouse over, every tool has a layer that's natively built in. So as we go across concrete, we have our wall footings that are on the foundation layer. And then as we get to grain beams also on foundation, we come into slab on grade. So if I were to take a wall footing markup, actually these are grade beams. Let's go with grade beam. So I'm just going to do this real quick. You guys get the gist. So we got a grade beam. We'll give it the number. Let's say it's grade beam GR1. So that's going to be on the foundation layer. And if I needed to come back with my slab on grade, and that was over top of this, see it gets a little bit cluttered. Well, we go to the layers tab, and I can just turn off foundations. Turn it back on. So it's all natively built into the tools. One thing to add on top of this particular project actually has some deep foundations, which is something I forgot to really go to next. But as you can see here in our Division 31, we have deep foundations. So driven pile, cast pile, caissons. I think in this case, these were cast piles. So you can go through and count that. And again, as you can see, layer is on deep foundations. So all these things can be toggled on and off. This is going to be consistent for flooring. our HVAC, plumbing, electrical, when it comes to fixtures or equipment or distribution, all of these things are layered appropriately so you can toggle things on and off. Really the big important ones when we get into finishes. So we can jump into the architectural plan and see what we got here, and I can give you an example. So if we go up to 09, we have our metal studs and drywall. We have different wall thicknesses: 3 5/8 wall, 4-inch wall, 6-inch wall. I'm just going to grab a 6-inch wall for here. I think this is a double 6-inch wall, so we can make those markups. And as you can see, all of these are going to be falling on that metal stud drywall wall. So if I have soft flooring, in this case, I think we have some hardwood. So if that wall got in the position of the hardwood, we could toggle the tool and the layer on and off. So anyway, we got all our different flooring: soft flooring, hardwood flooring, athletic specialty flooring, indoor division 10, toilet partitions. All of the comprehensive tool list is listed out on the website, so you should be able to see that. And then I guess I can give another example here of just our plumbing. We'll go to the first floor plumbing plan, and come down to our plumbing tool sets. So you have plumbing piping, fixtures, equipment. Fixtures, we have our counts for our toilet, water closet, our lab sinks, countertop sink, water coolers, like, your bottle fillers or your water fountains, floor drains, roof drains. All of these things are here. And again, all set up on the appropriate layer. So if we have our water closet, there's a lab. We'll go with the laboratory. Lab. And then we want to run some distribution piping. All of that is here. So we'll call, in this case, we'll say it's domestic PEX. But we have our copper, we have domestic PVC, we have cast iron sanitary, PVC sanitary. So it's really broken out the materiality of what you would typically have. And in this case, it's actually a gas line. And believe it or not, we do have a gas line in here somewhere. Gas PVC, gas steel, and gas copper. Let's go with gas copper. Since it's a 3/4 inch line, it's most likely copper. And we'll call it that way. And again, everything's kind of set up as just a overarching category for you to go back in and fill it with the proper diameter. And as you can see, everything down on our markups tool list, and this is organized specifically for the tool set. So the profile that will put these columns in this order to make everything very easy to view and see comes with the tool set. So you can load the profile in, which gives you the same look that I have on my screen, as well as every toolbox that's built in here. And as you can see here from sorting by the subject and the label, is it gives it in a very convenient broken down totals for lengths and areas. It's all there. Now this can be exported to Excel. If you're a Bluebeam Extreme user, you can actually get the extension to plug this directly into your Excel tables that you have, which is kind of above and beyond this video. But anyway, it's all there. So we even go as far as carrying landscape items. So I'll jump over to here, go back to our tool sets, and all the way down to 32. So we have hardscape, landscape irrigation, we have fencing, recreational surfaces, site furnishings, so like benches, ping pong tables, and goofy things like that. But we'll go with hardscape. So let's just say we got asphalt paving, mill and overlay asphalt. So if you're just kind of doing a touch up, a full depth reclamation, a number of inches, just seal coat, striping, on into our actually concrete paving. So, it's just a simple takeoff here. Concrete paving lays it out pretty basic, straightforward. Curb, gutter, all your items are there. Lawn and landscape, there's seedings and grass, cobble, mulch, all your different infills, tree, plants. If everything's listed by a specific list in a landscape legend, then you can count those and backfill as you go. Give you a very convenient takeoff. And then yeah, so for you we got our cobble area, and I'm not being accurate here, I'm just trying to fill in. So there you guys have it. It's a pretty decent overview. It was kind of quick, but it gives you a pretty good idea of what you're going to get out of this. So I appreciate your time and look forward to all the benefits that you'll get from grabbing this tool set. Appreciate it.